This class we are going to see mean and median. So mean and median is very important when you're working with pandas and numpy and you're using data frame and you have a huge data set, and where if something is missing, like you'll always get in the situation where you have, let's say, 100 data sets, and out of 100 there are 20, 30 or 10 are missing. Like for one particular column 10 rows are missing. In that case, this mean and median is something which will come very handy, right? And if just quickly, what is mean and what is median, right? So mean, uh, in shorter way, what is mean? Mean is something like a average. It's very close to average, right? So if I have to figure out what is mean for 1 2 3, right? Mean for 1 2 3, what will be the mean for 1 2 3, right? So 1 comma 2 comma 3, let's say I have these three numbers, and the mean will be basically doing 1 plus 2 plus 3, and everything will be divided by 3 because I have three numbers. So this is what mean is. Correct. So this is how this mathematical mean works, right? 1 plus 2 plus 3. For this case, the mean will be 2, right? So Python also has this libraries which we can use to do this kind of things. We'll see that. That's what we're going to see. And I will just quickly go through what is median, right? So median is something, let's say for this case, this is already in order. 1 2 3 4 already is in order, right? Let's say I have 4 1 2 3, right? In this case, what happens? Let's change this to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and so this list will be changed to this, and then whatever is the center value, right? So let's say in this case the center value, let me add another one. So let's say 5 here, just to easy understanding. I'm adding 5. So in this case, what is our center number here? The value which is in the middle. So I have 5 values here. I have 5 elements here, right? So center one is like third one, right? So the median will be 3. And yeah, don't misunderstood that this is, if we are taking this list, right, then you'll think that this is a median, this is in the middle, but no, you have to arrange in the ascending order, and then you have to consider which is the in between. So now we know this two is the definition of mean and median, mathematical definition, right? How it comes. So how you can use this as a library of Python, right? So quickly import numpy. um, Numpy as nm, right? And this will give us access to the libraries that we want to use. Okay, this will give us access to the libraries which I want to use. I'll take this example only. I'll create this as a variable. Let me change this to numbers. Okay, I'll change this to number, and I'll make this as a list. Okay, so I have a list of numbers which I have everything ascending and descending order. There is no order. There's intention to keep this, right? And let's say if I want to take out the mean of this number list, let me change this to number list. So whenever I say number list, it will be easy to understand. So I want to make sure what is the mean of this number list. I can do print and using numpy, so nm, and there is a function called mean. It's that easy, guys. Just use the mean function and it will print the mean for this particular list. And now we can see here, oh sorry, I have to pass this number list, right? I'm checking for mean for which list, so I have to pass that. That's why I got an error. So now it is giving me 3 is your mean. You see here it is getting printed. Let me just zoom this a bit for you guys. Okay, zoom this little more. Okay, now you can see here. So I was giving, I didn't give what is the which mean I want, right? So I want the mean of the number list. Okay, so nm dot, this is a mean, is the function inside the numpy which we can use. This is a method which we can use from the numpy. Let's say you want to take out the median. What is the median, right? So it's that easy that you directly use as a median is a function which you can directly use and do the number list, and This is give you the median also. Now remember what we found here. Here we found that three was the median, right? And you see here, I'm using the same list. I got the median is equal to 3. And yeah, we never checked that what is the mean for this, right? So you can calculate 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, and 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 divided by 3 is, sorry, 15 divided by 3, sorry, sorry, not 3, 15 divided by 5, because there are 5 numbers, right? So that will be equal to 3, right? So which is coming correct, right? Let me just write it for our understanding. 15 divided by 3, oh, I am writing 3 equal to 3, 5 is equal to 3. Okay, and here in the arrange in the ascending order, so our list will look like this, and then this is our middle number. So that's why directly here you can use this median. Okay. We can do this like I was making this short and all, right? So there are functions which is available in NumPy which you can also use. I just want to run through few more functions which can be used. So the one which I like is the sort. So if you're working with very huge list, let me make this list little bigger, okay? And 4, 8, 9, very jumbled. I mean there is no arrangement. See, now this will be very difficult, right? Figuring out what is the order, what is the, and this is very small list. Consider this, guys, because if you're working for data science projects and all, this list is very small because you might be working with a list which where is 100,000 rows of data, right? Now let's say if I want to make this nm that short, mean, medium, everything, whatever I want to take out from here, and let me just use this sort function and put my number list here. This is a list I want to sort, right? This is the list I want to sort. Now let me run this and you'll see I can able to, this is my mean, this is my median, and this is my ascending order of the list. I'm able to sort this. If I want to also make sum from this, right? Able to take this sum. I don't require NumPy. I can directly go ahead and sum this, right? And let me run this so you can see. So 290 is the sum, this is a mean, this is median, and this is a sorted order. So like that, we can do lot of operations if it is coming as a list of numbers, right? We can do all this operation. This will be very useful, especially mean and median is something which will be very important if you are, working with a data set and you're doing some, exploratory data analysis and all if you're doing, and if you want to make your features, or if you want to decide your feature, you want to remove something, so null values, basically the null values that you want to remove, right? We can use this mean and median to replace those values with some valid value, and those values, mean and median, are very intact, guys. I mean, it's like you're making average of entire list and you're providing some value. That's why we use the mean some in the null values, right, in the dataset project, and same as a median. So these two will be very, very useful. So do not forget this. If you have any doubt, any more things you want to see regarding this one, just put it in the comment. I'll try to answer it or try to make a video. Thank you for this class. If you have learned something from the class, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the bell notification. So next time when I upload a video, you'll get notified. Thanks for watching.